Mga kapatid, tayo nilikha ng Diyos bilang kanyang kawangis. Tinawag niya tayo upang mabuhay sa pamamagitan ng pag-ibig at para sa pag-ibig. Ito ay pinahayag sa inyong pag-ibigan, Raymar at Judy May. Ang buklod ng pag-ibig ng magkaisang dibdib ay siyang larawan at tagapaghiwatig ng tipan na siyang nagugnay sa Diyos at sa kanyang sambayanan.
You're mine, always you're mine, forever you're my reality. You're my sunshine, you're my best times, you're my anomaly. And I'd choose you in 100.
Raymar, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makisang dibdib si Judy May na iyong pakamamalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
And I'd say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when the sky is falling.
A strong marriage requires loving your spouse even in those moments when they aren't being lovable. It means believing in them even when they struggle to believe in themselves.
I choose you. This is more than just a wedding. This is etched into eternity.
Naroon lagi yung paniniwala natin na nag-iisang babae o lalaki na makakasama ko sa habang buhay. Tatandaan ninyong dalawa, kamatayan lang makakapaghiwalay sa inyong dalawa. Ha? Ayan. Serapin Ganhawa, magkakasama kayo.
In 100 words he'd find us, and we'd say we do.
Judy May, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makiisang dibdib si Raymar na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
The sky turns black, he comes back, riding on a cloud. Every day and every moment.
You walk into my life. You brought light, love, and purpose. I never knew I was missing. I promise to love you fiercely. You are my heart, my home, and my forever. And I choose you today and always.
Look into my eyes, dear, 'cause this is where it starts. Yes, this is where it starts. I'll give you my whole heart for my whole life.
Thank you sa pagiging mabait sa akin. No? Di mo ko sinusukuan. Huwag ka na umiyak. Ayun lang, Father. Pagpatuloy mo lang. Salamat sa pagsuporta sa akin lagi.
This is where it starts.
Raymar, you may now kiss your bride.
And I'll say I do for the rest of my life. With all that I have, I do. And I will when the sky is falling. I promise you I'm all in, no turning. Every moment